Welcome to our Learn to Crochet series with Faye of Unravel and Unwind. In this series we are looking at a variety of different crochet stitches. In this video we will be taking a look at the rose stitch. I am using an Addy swing hook size 3 and the yarn that I am using is Sheep Years River Wash from the 10-gram colour packs. So we're going to begin by making our foundation row, and using the back bumps I'm going to put 2 double crochet in the second chain from hook. I'm going to skip the next chain and work 2 double crochet into the next one. I'm going to repeat this to the end, so skip and then 2 double crochet in the next chain. You'll notice I'm using the back bumps of the chain. I do this so that we have a much neater finish to our piece of work. This way it looks like the same on both sides of the row. So when you turn the work, don't forget to chain 1, and we miss the first stitch of the row and double crochet into the next stitch twice. Then we skip 1 and put 2 double crochet into the next. And we repeat this to the end. So miss a stitch, 2 double crochet in the next, miss a stitch and 2 double crochet in the next. When you get to the end of the row, we're going to chain 1 and turn. Miss the first stitch and 2 double crochets into the next. It's a really simple stitch pattern but looks quite effective. Remember to find that last stitch of the row, chain 1 and turn, and we're going to repeat again. Miss the first, 2 double crochet in the next. So using such simple stitch, one of the basic crochet stitches, what you get is what looks like pretty little flowers on each row. And it's really effective using a variegated yarn like this. I know it's only a small sample, but you can see kind of little flower effects across each row. Thank you for joining me for this video. If you have enjoyed it, please give it a like and consider subscribing to Unravel and Unwind's YouTube channel. And if you'd like early access to a whole host of different creative videos, why not pop over to our Patreon page at patreon.com/Unravel and Unwind. Thank you for joining us. I'll see you on the next video.